To add an Instagram icon to your Shopify store, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the online store section. Click on Themes and then select the Customize Theme option. This will open the theme editor where you can make changes to your store's layout and design. In the theme editor, click on the Add Section button and select Social Media from the list of available sections. This will add a new social media section to your store's footer where you can display links to your social media profiles. To add the Instagram icon, click on the Add Social Media Link button and enter your Instagram profile URL. You can then select the Instagram icon from the list of available icons. Make sure to choose the correct icon to match your brand's style and color scheme. Once you have added the Instagram icon, you can customize its appearance by adjusting the icon size and color. You can also add a hover effect to the icon to make it more engaging. To do this, click on the Icon Style drop-down menu and select the style that best fits your brand's design. After making the necessary changes, click on the Save button to save your changes. Your Instagram icon should now be visible in the footer of your store, allowing customers to easily find and follow your Instagram profile. It is a good practice to regularly update your social media links to ensure that they are accurate and up to date. You should also test your Instagram icon to make sure it is working correctly and linking to the correct profile. By following these steps, you can easily add an Instagram icon to your Shopify store and start driving traffic to your Instagram profile. This can help increase engagement and sales, and provide a more seamless customer experience.